watch video. Ordinary Retinol 0.2% Emulsion is a skincare product offered by the brand The Ordinary, which is known for its affordable yet effective skincare formulations. Retinol, also known as retinaldehyde, is a form of vitamin A that has been praised for its anti-aging properties. Here are some key points about the Ordinary Retinol 0.2% Emulsion. 1. Active ingredient. The primary active ingredient in this product is retinaldehyde, which is a precursor to retinoic acid. Retinoic acid is known for its ability to improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and promote collagen production. 2. Concentration. The product contains a 0.2% concentration of retinaldehyde. This concentration is considered suitable for most skin types, including sensitive skin and excessive irritation. 3. Emulsion formula. The product is formulated as an emulsion, which typically means it combines water-based and oil-based ingredients to create a lightweight texture that absorbs easily into the skin. Emulsions are often preferred by those with combination or oily skin types. 4. Benefits. Retinaldehyde offers several skincare benefits, including improved skin tone and texture, reduced appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and enhanced overall skin radiance. It can also help with issues such as acne and hyperpigmentation. 5. Usage. The Ordinary recommends applying a small amount of the product in the evening as part of your skincare routine. It's advised to use sun protection during the day when using retinoid products due to increased sensitivity to sunlight. 6. Caution. While retinaldehyde is generally well tolerated, it may still cause irritation, especially when starting a retinoid skincare regimen. It's important to introduce retinoids gradually into your routine and to patch test the product before applying it to your face. 7. Packaging. The Ordinary products typically come in simple, no-frills packaging with dropper-style dispensers, making it easy to control the amount of product used. As with any skincare product, individual results may vary, and it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist if you have specific skin concerns or conditions.